Puns?
Nope.
Yeah, puns. Hey, Firas, if your missus ain't treating you right, leave her. Hey, Firas, do you know who my favourite celebrity is? Kylie Jenner. Hey, Firas, do you see this here? I built this with my bare hands. Firas, do you know why I prefer virgins? Why? They're tighter for sex.
What the fuck? What are you doing?
I am Bruce Lee. I'ma get him so bored. Someone hang out with me. Mate, you are huge.
What?
You're a big cunt, aren't ya? Firas, sing along with me. I don't want no scrub. A scrub is a guy that can't get no love from me. We live in such a sexist world. Because girls perv on boys as much as guys perv on girls. Hey, Firas. Yeah. You're my bestest friend.